we've partnered on hundreds of deals over the course, especially over the last 4 or 5 years as I've been running the commercial and enterprise businesses. Instead of pointing out a specific deal, what I would say is what Thunder brings to the table that is consistently proven to differentiate and drive true partnership. Number one is we start early. When we're starting discovery and workshops, all the good early on engagements with customers is from the Salesforce account team side. Partner, we bring Thunder in early to partner so that we're not re-explaining all the information. We set Thunder up for success, and Thunder sets us up for success as one team rather than some separate sort of entity to the customer. So I think that's been a very tangible and consistent behavior that goes a long way. The second is flexibility. I think, every customer right now doesn't have money to spend. And every customer wants the confidence and trust that we're going to. And where I've seen Thunder really step up, not giving away things for free. Technology costs money. People cost money. Implementation costs money. But putting the right skin in the game, right? Where it makes sense, where we can stretch each other, where perhaps Salesforce provides concessions in ways where we put our skin in the game through, like SIP and SWE resourcing. And in complement, Thunder will step up and provide their own concessions to make sure it's the right resourcing and perhaps even some financial incentives. So the customer knows we're not here just to win the business. We're here to deliver success to the business.